Hello guys and welcome to lesson number 6. This is the first video. In this video you will learn how to calculate a percentage using 3 different methods. For we to learn that, we're going to use the following example. It says that 30% of young people are taller than 180 centimeters. Now, what does it mean? Well, it means that out of every 100 young people, 30 of them are taller than 180 centimeters. So if you have 200 young people, you will have 60 who are taller than 180. If you will have 300 young people, then you will have 90 that are taller than 180. As you can see, this is a direct proportion. As you increase the number of young people, you increase the number of those who are taller than 180 centimeters. So imagine that we have 250 young people. How many of them are taller than 180 centimeters? We can know that using the rule of 3, like this. First, we build our table. On this table, we will have the total, and we also will have the part. The first total is going to be 100, and the part is going to be 30. That is the information that we already know. Now, the number of people that I'm studying right now is 250 people. And I don't know how many of them are taller than 180. So I will call that number X. Now I can use the rule of 3, like this. We will say that 30 is to 100 as X is to 250. Now we multiply like in a cross. We will have that 30 times 250 is equal to X times 100. Now, to leave the X alone, I need to divide all of this by 100. Then, if I perform the operations, I will have that 30 times 250 divided by 100 is 75. As 100 is cancelled, that will be equal to X. So in a group of 250 young people, I know that 75 are taller than 180 centimeters. Second method. I can see a percentage as a fraction. If I say 30%, I'm saying 30 over 100 because out of 100 I have taken 30 parts. I will express it like this. 30% equal to 30 over 100. Now, what is the fraction 30 over 100 in 250? Well, it means that I have divided 250 into 100 parts, and that I have taken 30 of those parts. So I need to perform the operation, and I will have 75 as in the first method. So you can see a percentage like a fraction. In our third method, we can associate the percentage to a decimal number. How so? Well, if 30% is equal to 30 over 100, then 30% is equal to the decimal number 0.3. Now, if I multiply 250 times 0.3, I will get 75. Okay, so we have three methods to calculate the percentage. First, I can use proportions. Second, I can see the percentage like a fraction. And third, I can see the percentage as a decimal number.